Understanding, agree on something, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common but crucial phrase that you'll encounter in English conversations: agree on something. Understanding this phrase is key to navigating discussions, negotiations, and making plans with others. So, let's dive in and make sure you can confidently use this expression in your daily interactions. When people agree on something, they have the same opinion about it or decide collectively that it's acceptable or satisfactory. This phrase is often used in contexts where a decision needs to be reached, and all parties involved come to a mutual understanding or conclusion. For example, if two friends are deciding where to go for dinner and they both decide on the same restaurant, they agree on going to that restaurant. Using agree on something correctly in sentences is crucial for clear communication. Here are some examples to guide you. After a long discussion, we finally agreed on a date for the project deadline. It's hard for them to agree on anything because their opinions are so different. Can we all agree on a plan before we proceed? Notice how in each example, the phrase is used to indicate a mutual decision or shared opinion about a specific matter. It's important to distinguish agree on from agree to and agree with, as they serve different purposes. Agree to is used when someone consents to do something. Example, she agreed to help with the research. Agree with is used when someone shares the same opinion as someone else. Example, I agree with you on that matter. Agree on focuses on mutual decisions or opinions about specific items, plans, or ideas. Understanding these differences will help you choose the right phrase based on the context of your conversation. And that wraps up our guide on how to understand and use agree on something in English. We hope this video has clarified how to use this essential phrase effectively in your conversations and writings. Remember, practicing these phrases in real-life situations will help you become more fluent and confident in your English skills. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful English language tips. See you in the next video.